Hi friends, good morning. This is Srikanth. Today I will explain about how to do save Power BI desktop file in Power BI report server. Okay, first I am selecting one chart and next I am selecting country and sales. Okay, next to go to file and next to go to save as. See this here, this is a Power BI report server option. Click this button. It's automatically showing this window. See this, I'm saving my Power BI report server, reports local report. See this is my folders. I want us to save my local Power BI desktop file Srikanth. Okay, I'm typing file name sample and click OK. It's automatically saving my folder. See this after saving you get a message, success message. After click this take me here. Okay, see this my local file saving sample file in my local Power BI report server. Click this sample. See this my local Power BI desktop file saved in Power BI report server. Okay, this is Power BI desktop file saving in Power BI report server. Okay, please subscribe our channel Lakshmi Skills. Thank you friends. Bye all.